Winter in Europe is a season of dramatic contrasts, transforming landscapes and daily routines. In the far north, daylight barely breaks through, casting blue shadows over snowy forests and frozen lakes. Meanwhile, the Mediterranean south stays green and mild even in January. From Germany's bustling Christmas markets under fresh snow to Lisbon's rainy streets, winter touches every corner differently. Understanding winter weather is crucial. It shapes culture, agriculture, and economies. Farmers, governments, and the travel industry all depend on accurate forecasts to prepare for frost, heating demand, and disruptions. For everyone, weather dictates plans, moods, and safety. European winters swing from gentle snowfalls to powerful storms, making long-range forecasting both challenging and essential. As we look ahead to winter 2025 to 2026, the big questions are: will it be cold and snowy or mild and wet? How will each region be affected? We'll explore how forecasts are made, recent trends, and what to expect region by region. Our goal: to help you prepare for the months ahead, whatever winter brings. Let's dive in. Long-range winter forecasting is about spotting broad trends, not predicting the weather for a specific day. Forecasters use powerful computer models that simulate the Earth's climate, inputting data like sea temperatures and wind patterns. These models project how global conditions will evolve, offering a glimpse of the coming season. Teleconnections, like El Niño and the North Atlantic Oscillation, play a huge role in shaping Europe's winter. A positive now brings milder, wetter winters to the north. A negative now can mean colder, snowier conditions. Forecasters interpret model outputs, weigh historical patterns, and look for consensus. It's a blend of technology and expertise that helps everyone from governments to individuals prepare. The result: a reliable outlook for the season ahead. Let's see what recent winters can teach us. Europe's winters are warming. Average temperatures have risen, especially in the north. Snow is less common at lower altitudes, with rain replacing what used to be snow in many regions. Ski resorts now rely more on higher elevations and artificial snow. But when cold air does arrive, heavier snowfalls can occur due to the moister atmosphere. Extreme weather is also on the rise. Powerful storms, flooding, and wild swings between calm and stormy periods. The jet stream, which steers weather systems, has become more erratic, sometimes locking regions into prolonged cold or mild spells. These changes make forecasting more complex and winters less predictable. Understanding these trends is key to interpreting the outlook for 2025 to 2026. Let's see what the models are saying for the coming season. The stage is set for a winter of surprises. The forecast for winter 2025 to 2026 points to sharp regional contrasts across Europe. A weakening La Niña and a likely negative North Atlantic Oscillation will shape the season. This setup favors high pressure near Greenland, blocking mild Atlantic air and letting cold air spill into northern and eastern Europe. Expect colder, snowier conditions in the north and east, while the west and south face a tug-of-war between cold and milder, wetter air. Variability will be the theme. Cold, dry spells could quickly flip to milder, stormier weather. The average temperature may seem normal, but it will mask dramatic swings. The exact position of the high-pressure block will determine who gets snow and who gets rain. In short, expect a dynamic, unpredictable winter. Next, we'll break down the outlook for each region. Prepare for a classic European winter battle. Let's start in the north. Northern Europe, Scandinavia, the Baltics, and Finland should brace for a colder, snowier winter than recent years. High pressure near Greenland will funnel Arctic air south, bringing prolonged cold, especially in December and January. Expect above-average snowfall with early snow that lingers, delighting winter sports fans but challenging cities like Oslo and Helsinki. Occasional Atlantic systems may bring wind, rain, or sleet to coastal Norway, followed by rapid freezes and icy roads. Blizzards are possible, especially in exposed areas, causing temporary disruption. Energy demand will surge, straining grids and raising heating bills. Governments and households must prepare for sustained cold and ensure robust energy supplies. Insulation and efficient heating will be vital for comfort and cost control. Northern Europe faces a true winter, beautiful but demanding. Let's move to the battleground of Western and Central Europe. Western and Central Europe, UK, Ireland, France, Germany, Poland, will see a highly changeable winter. Cold air from the northeast and milder Atlantic air will battle, causing frequent swings in temperature and conditions. Early winter may bring frost and snow, especially in the UK and Ireland, but stormier, wetter spells will follow as Atlantic systems push in. Northern France and Germany could see significant cold snaps and snow, while southern areas get more rain and occasional heavy mountain snow. Commuters must be ready for ice, snow, wind, and rain, sometimes all in one week. Fluctuating temperatures will create icy roads and pavements. Energy demand will spike during cold snaps, then drop in milder spells. Adaptability will be key for everyone in this seasonal winter. Now, let's head south. Southern Europe, Spain, Portugal, Italy, the Balkans, faces a milder but wetter winter than usual. The Atlantic storm track will shift south, bringing more rain and wind to the region. Spain and Portugal will see much-needed rainfall, easing drought but raising flood and landslide risks. Italy and the Balkans will get frequent rain in lowlands and heavy snow in the mountains, promising a strong ski season but also travel disruption. Cold snaps will be less frequent and intense than in the north. Persistent cloud and rain may make the season feel gloomier than usual. Agriculture and travel could be affected by flooding and mountain snow. Energy use will rise, but not as sharply as in the north. Residents should prepare for a wet, unsettled winter and stay alert for flood warnings. Let's look at how these patterns will affect daily life. This winter's regional contrasts will shape daily routines, travel, and energy use across Europe. In the north, cold and snow will slow commutes and strain municipal services. Central and southern regions will face travel disruptions from snow, ice, and flooding. Expect delays at airports and on railways. Energy bills will rise, especially in colder regions, testing the resilience of national grids. Efficient home heating and insulation will be crucial to manage costs. Health risks increase. Cold raises the chance of illness, while gloomy days can affect mental well-being. Staying active and getting daylight will help. On the bright side, snowy winters offer great opportunities for winter sports and recreation. Flexibility and preparation will be essential for travel and daily life. Now, let's talk about how to get ready. Preparation is key to a safe, comfortable winter. Start with your home. Check heating, improve insulation, and seal drafts to keep warm and save on energy bills. Have an emergency kit ready: torches, batteries, first aid supplies, and non-perishable food. Dress in layers with waterproof outerwear, warm hats, gloves, and non-slip footwear. Prepare your car for winter. Check tires, battery, antifreeze, and carry a blanket, shovel, and snacks. Always check forecasts and road conditions before traveling. Postpone trips if weather is severe. Expect delays on public transport and check for updates. Eat well, stay hydrated, and keep active even indoors. Look out for elderly or vulnerable neighbors, especially during cold snaps. By taking these steps, you'll be ready for whatever winter brings. Stay safe, stay warm, and make the most of the season. Winter in Europe is a challenge, but also an adventure.